Hey, what's going on? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer. Today I've got this Sanyo VCR to show you. The model number is VWM-950. This is definitely one of the best VCRs you can buy. It'll last a very long time. It's got a really slim design and it's got really basic features. Everything you need, nothing you don't need. But before we get into that, did you know that you could also get a 2-in-1 device where you can transfer VHS tapes to DVD? Yeah, it makes it super easy. You just put a blank DVD in, put your tape in, hit record, and then you got it on DVD. If you didn't know that, now you do. And if you're looking for one, you can check it out on our online store. But let's talk about this. On the rear panel, you have your line input and output. The input is for recording onto the VHS and the output is for playback. They also both have hi-fi audio. And then you have your tuner input and output right there for cable television. In order to hook it up, all you have to do is match up the red, white, and yellow cable to the output on the VCR. And then once you've got it all connected, you'll get a signal to your TV and we can insert a VHS tape. And this is the original remote for it. It's pretty basic. It's got your recording function, eject button, stop, play, fast forward, rewind. And then you can pause it if you want. You can turn the display on and off. And on the front panel of the VCR, you have an audio video input that's for recording, just like on the rear panel. And then a power button, channel buttons, the menu button if you want to access the menus, your record button, stop, eject, rewind, play, and fast forward. That's all there is for this VCR. It's pretty basic, but it will definitely stand the test of time. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check out our online store.